one of the most important things of any values a company has is they need to be memorable. Everyone knows those three important letters. Find me three words that work in both English and Spanish and to summarize all of our data statements. And that's how we came up with service, which service is one of our key things. We serve each other, we serve the community, we serve our customers. And that's been historic all along. You know, when there's something going on, we always want to take care of our employees. But our customers drive what we do. That's been the nice thing about being a family-owned business and not a large corporation. We can change quickly based on customer need and customer demand. So then you look at the passion. You know, if you don't have passion for what you do, whether it's at home or at work, when you're having fun, when you're studying in school, if you don't have passion for what you're doing, you're not going to get anywhere. We don't expect people to work 100 hours a week, but there may be times that you have to. And if you don't have that passion, it makes it very difficult. And the other thing about having that passion for what you do isn't a job, even if you are working those 100 hours a week. So it's important to love what you do, and we hope all of you love being part of SPF. Sometimes things aren't going well. If you have that internal fortitude, that stick-to-itiveness, you know, you can work through any situation. As long as you're open to various ideas, don't wall yourself off and think, no, it's got to be this way. Always be willing to remember the service and the passion side of things. Everyone has passion. And if you keep that service side with your fellow employees, and that fortitude can get you through those difficult times. And we've had plenty of those in the past. Right now, we're in a very good market, but we have to make, as we talked about, it was, you know, those data-informed decisions where we need to do the right things. We're doing great right now, but we can always find room for improvement. But that's the story of how we came up with the SPF values. Every meeting, those things are stressed. When we have our monthly management meetings, when we have our all-hands meetings, when we're dealing with customers, we want them to know what our vision, mission, and values are. And turn it back over to you, Nikki.
Thank you so much.